tears to your eyes when all that surrounds you are secrets and lies. I'll be your strength, I'll give you hope, keeping your faith when it's gone. The one you should call was standing here all along. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong, till the day my life is through. This I promise you. This I promise you. I've loved you forever, in lifetimes before, and I promise you've never will you hurt anymore. I give you my word, I give you my heart. This is the battle we've won, and with this vow, forever has now begun. Just close your eyes each loving day and know this feeling won't go away. Every word I say is true.